High School, Rani Sungkul Thakurga. I am Mr. Nuruzzaman, assistant teacher. Dear students, good morning and welcome. Thanks. How are you? Thanks. I am very fine. Dear students, look at the picture. Who is the woman? The woman is Begum Rokeya. Today's lessons Begum Rokeya. B-E-G-U-M Begum Rokeya. R-O-K-E-Y-A. Unit 5. Lessons 1. Learning outcome. Ask and answer. Talk about Begum Rokeya. You will know about Begum Rokeya and her husband. Write and short paragraph. Talk. Question and answer. Let us go to read and discuss Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and social worker. She lived undivided Bangla and in the early the 20th century. She believed that as a woman should have in the same rights and opportunities as a man have should in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout in her life. Dear students, Begum Rokeya born place in village Pairabanda in Rangpur 1818. Her father Johiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Saber was an educated landlord. Begum Rokeya married Khan Bahadur Sakwat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was a deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district, India of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged to go on with her activities. Many class upper Arabic, Farsi and Hindu education and communication. She loved her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English. Her eldest brother Ibrahim. Dear students, English to Bengali. Begum Rokeya 1880-1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. বেগম রোকেয়া একজন বিখ্যাত লেখিকা এবং সমাজকর্মী ছিলেন। She lived undivided বাংলা in the early 20th century. তিনি বিংশ শতাব্দীর পূর্বে অবিভক্ত বাংলায় বাস করেছিলেন। She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as a men have in the society. তিনি বিশ্বাস করেছিলেন যে একজন মহিলা মানুষের পুরুষের যতটুকু অধিকার পাওয়া উচিত একজন মহিলারও ততটুকু অধিকার পাওয়া উচিত। So she fought for their cause throughout her life. তাই তিনি সারা জীবন ব্যাপী যুদ্ধ করে গেছিলেন। বেগম রোকেয়া was a born in a village called পায়রাবান্ধা। বেগম রোকেয়া পায়রাবান্ধা গ্রামে রংপুরের পায়রাবান্ধা গ্রামে 1888 সালে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। Her father জহিরউদ্দিন মোহাম্মদ আবু আলী হায়দার সাবের ওয়াজ অ্যান এডুকেটেড ল্যান্ডলর্ড। তাহার পিতা একজন সম্ভ্রান্ত জমিদার ব্যক্তি ছিলেন। রোকেয়া ওয়াজ ম্যারিড টু খান বাহাদুর সাখাওয়াত হুসাইন ইন 1896। বেগম রোকেয়া 1896 সালে খান বাহাদুর সাখাওয়াত হুসাইনের সাথে বিবাহ হয়। Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the India state of Bihar. তিনি বর্তমান জেলার ভারতের ভাগলপুরের মধ্যে অন্তর্ভুক্ত। He was very cooperative. তিনি ছিলেন একজন সাংগঠনিক। And always encouraged to go on with her activities. তাই তিনি সর্বদাই রোকেয়াকে বিভিন্ন উৎসাহ উদ্দীপনার মধ্যে সম্পূর্ণ কার্যপ্রণালীতে জগিয়াছিলেন। Many upper class Muslims of Bangla at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. বিভিন্ন যোগাযোগের মধ্যে মুসলিম বাংলা হিন্দির মধ্যে তার শিক্ষার মধ্যে যোগাযোগ ছিল। But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. কিন্তু বেগম রোকেয়া তার মাতৃভূমিকে ভালোবেসেছিলেন। She learned বাংলা and English for her eldest brother ইব্রাহিম। তিনি যে বাংলা ইংলিশ শিখেছিলেন তার বড় ভাই ইব্রাহিমের কাছ থেকে। Dear students, look at the board. Answer the following question. Who was Begum Rokeya? Begum Rokeya, yes, Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and social worker. What do you know about her? Thanks. She believed that as a woman, same rights and opportunities as a man have should in the society. Where was she born? Thanks. She was born place called Pairabandha in Rangpur. What her father's name? Yes, her father's name জহিরুদ্দিন মোহাম্মদ আবু আলী হায়দার সাবের। What did she fight for? She fight for as a woman should have in the society in the same rights and opportunities as a man have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout in her life. Dear students, choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Begum Rokeya fought for. 3 question. Answer 1 question. Democracy, independence, women's right. Best answer. Yes. Best answer. Women's right. Rokeya was born in a village, a town, a slum. Rokeya was born a village. Yes. Rokeya loved English, Bangla, Urdu. हैं yes. ये village Bangla. Shaukat Hussain working place was Pairabanda, Bhagalpur, Rangpur. Shaukat Hussain working place was Bhagalpur. Begum Bhagalpur is district in Bangladesh, West Bangla, Bihar. Right answer, Bihar. Dear students, who was Begum Rokeya? Yes, Begum Rokeya was famous writer and social worker. What did she fight for? She fight for as a woman should have same rights and opportunities as a man should have in the society. What her father's name? Her father's name is, thanks, her father's name is Zohiruddin Mohammad Abu Ali Haidar Sabir. Where was she born? She was born village called Pairabanda, Rangpur. Rokeya loved English, Bangla, Urdu. Thanks, Bangla. Bhagalpur is a district in Bangladesh, West Bangla, Bihar. Thanks. Right answer, Bihar. Dear students, homework. Write WRIT, write a short 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 paragraph, PARAGRAPS write a short paragraph of Begum, B-E-G-U-M, Begum Rokeya, R-O-K-E-Y-Y-A. Dear students, I have finished the class. Next class today tomorrow. Goodbye. Thanks. কালোটা চেপে দিলাম তো, কালোটা চেপে দিতে বলছে। হ্যাঁ, কালোটা চেপে দিতে বলছে।